In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your birthday on x.com, also known as Twitter, so your birth date stays private on your profile. This is a quick privacy setting that only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over the personal information people can see. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left-hand menu and click on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can edit your personal details. On your profile, look near the top right corner and click the Edit Profile button. This opens your profile settings, where you can change different parts of your account information. Now scroll all the way down through the Edit Profile menu until you find Birth Date. Click on Birth Date to open the birthday privacy options. Inside this section, you'll see a setting called Who Sees This? Under that, there are usually two drop-down menus, one for month and day, and one for year. To make your birthday completely private, change both of these drop-downs to only you. This ensures that other people on X cannot see your birth date information. Once both settings are set to only you, review everything one more time, and make sure the privacy setting is correct. Then save your changes if prompted. After that, your birthday will be hidden from other users, while still remaining on your account for your own use. This is a great way to protect your privacy without having to remove your profile details completely. And that's it. You've now hidden your birthday on X or Twitter in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.